ahead, man.
Alright guys, Desmond Fishing Reef. Finally got everything done. Dylan's gonna show you the boat. Here we go. Alright guys, Desmond Fishing Reef. Here's the baby. You guys, we recorded the test drive first. We had a lot of cleaning up to do, so I had them scrub the boat. So I'm giving you an outside view of the paint job. I'll try to show you the name, thanks to JT. The Beast, Key West. We got that motor up to 50 miles per hour today. Sorry about that, guys. The Beast and the Key West. Last time you guys saw the cedar was busted up. I refurbished, I redid it myself. I bought the material from eBay for 10 bucks and I redid it. I just gotta get that hatch, that porthole. I gotta see where I can get that to buy. These ones I painted them gray because there was, I don't know what the original owners did. I'm still trying to see where I can get the acrylic to change these windows because I can't see crap when the salt water gets on it. I remember all work was done by me and the kids, boys. Almost there, guys, almost there. We gotta take it out the water tomorrow. I gotta change the lower unit. The mechanic has given me a lower unit because it's got it's a little issue with it. So, but it's a 1 to 3 thing because it's a new water pumping house, and so we just gotta swap it out from this lower unit to the new one. He has a spare one sitting, so he's gonna give it to me. And then I gotta check to see the correct propeller for this motor, because when I bought this motor from that guy who gypped me, he gave me the wrong propeller. It seems to be the wrong propeller. And then we gotta readjust the Nauticus self-adjusting trip tabs. We had it sitting too low, so when I take the boat up tomorrow to do the lower unit, we're gonna adjust it level. But man, this boat, all the headaches, the timer base was bad. That's what was causing the low power. I bought a used one yesterday from a marine shop. They only had a used, they didn't have no new ones. The dog here. The dog here. Yeah, they didn't have any new ones, so I bought the used one, but it's working. It's used mint condition, like almost new. 250, but you know what? Motor's working. After we installed it, we had a little, still bogging down, but we had to readjust the floats in the floats in the carburetor. We had to readjust them. After readjusting them, we got full power now. It's a little scary because I never driven something with this much power, and I got a little scared today. But little by little, I'll get used to it. Wash the motor. Alright guys, well, on that too, we don't know what's going on with the fishing season because of this pandemic. The marina owner left a message for all the clients, myself, that I believe pretty soon he's going to lock down the marina where nobody can come in and leave to go fishing because the city sent him a notice that he has to shut the marina down. So we don't know what's going on. I hope this thing gets over with soon. Alright guys, Desmond Fishing Reef. See you on the next one.